In this video, we will discuss a 15-minute scalping strategy that you can use for trading on almost any trading asset such as gold, forex, crypto, and others. This strategy is quite simple to use and you can use it for free. Besides being suitable for trading with a 15-minute time frame, this trading strategy can also be used for scalping trading using a 5-minute time frame. Therefore, don't miss this video and don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to this channel. Adding indicators. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type Volume Super Trend AI Expo. Select Volume Super Trend AI Expo from Zerman. In the settings of the Volume Super Trend AI Expo indicator, change the prediction trend number to 200. Click OK to confirm the changes. Adding another indicator. Go back to the Search Indicator tab and type Composite Trend Oscillator. Select Composite Trend Oscillator from Chart Prime. In the Settings tab for the Composite Trend Oscillator indicator, change the number for transition easing to 25. Customize the line colors according to your preference. Click OK to confirm the changes. Buy order. If the Volume Super Trend AI indicator is green, it indicates a bullish trend, and your main focus is to find the best point to place a buy order. Wait for the Composite Trend Oscillator indicator to be in the oversold area and for the signal line to cross the filter line. Once the signal line has crossed the filter line upwards in the oversold area, prepare to place a buy order. Ensure that the candlestick formed is bullish. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the bullish candlestick has closed. Place a stop loss at the latest swing low. Use a target take profit with a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Sell order. If the Volume Super Trend AI indicator is red, it indicates a bearish trend, and your main focus is to find the best point to place a sell order. Wait for the Composite Trend Oscillator indicator to be in the overbought area and for the signal line to cross the filter line. Once the signal line has crossed the filter line downwards in the overbought area, prepare to place a sell order. Ensure that the candlestick formed is bearish. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the bearish candlestick has closed. Place a stop loss at the latest swing high. Use a target take profit with a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Thank you for watching.